Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9894AA. 85,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blue flame metallic in color. The F-150 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5. Cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Hard fiberglass tonneau cover. Also has the off-road suspension package. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, and trailering package. And not only low miles, but very clean. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This XLT has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with power adjustable pedals, put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, backup camera display, and power sliding window control. Under the hood, this F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 360 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.